Magandang umaga, hapon, gabi sa Aquarius with air elements. Lola Baby, nagpapakilala po. Bibigyan ko kayo ng timeless reading para sa mga natitirang araw-linggo ng buwan ng June. This is a general po, hindi po ito personal reading. Okay? So, if ever na you have a high expectation, diba? It's like sabihin na nating hindi mo matagpuan ang kasagutan dito. Ibig sabihin yan, you need a professional tarot reader. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag one-on-one, diba? Okay? Since this is general, okay? Kung makarelate, salamat. Kung hindi, it's not for you, okay? Lola Baby, nagpapakilala po. Isa lang po subscribe, likes, and share para lang po lumago ang aking channel sa tulong ninyo. Salamat ng marami. And we have here, tinatawag na the 10 of Swords, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, it's like tinatawag chatter brains, di ba? It's like marami kayong kausap dito. Okay? It's like tinatawag communication, okay? Open communication. Maybe sabihin na natin ito yung tinatawag araw-araw, maaring sa buong araw, di ba? It's like you're very, very busy sa tinatawag correspondence to others, di ba? Maybe it has something to do about communication, di ba? Exchanging words, exchanging letters, exchanging ideas. It has something to do about maari ito'y tinatawag between you and your classmates, between you and your friends, between you and your siblings, between you and your tinatawag na kasamahan sa trabaho, mga kliyente, di ba? So kung ano man ito, nakikita dito yung tinatawag the busy. You're very, very busy. Okay? Yan, sa inyong tinatawag na pamumuhay, pang araw-araw na pamumuhay. Sino itong mga kausap ninyo? It's like tinatawag na wala ka ng time, di ba? Na tinatawag na, siguro hindi ka na makaano dito. Break, no break. Ano tawag doon? Break time, di ba? Yan. Marami kayong kausap ang nakikita dito. Napakarami niyong kausap, di ba? It's like people from all walks of life, di ba? So, dati ito yung tinatawag na the King of Swords. So, ibig sabihin nito, meron kayong pananagutan. It's like responsibilities, a duty for this sa tinatawag na the 10 of Swords. It has a tinatawag na energy of people. You are surrounded by people, di ba? Yan. Maybe sabihin na natin sa computer, through computer, okay? Maybe it has something to do about your business. Maybe you're an online seller, an online blogger, an online, let's say sabihin na natin, sa online kayo nakikipag-communicate with these people, okay? So nakikita dito yung tinatawag ang bigat, the weight, okay? Gaano kabigat ng inyong responsibilities dito sa mga taong kinakausap ninyo. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the 9 of Wands, di ba? So, it has something to do about tinatawag na, it's like you are a person. Kung ikaw ito, okay? You are a person with this position. You have this kind of position, di ba? It's like tinatawag na ang ka-communicate mo dito is majority mga foreigners ang nakikita ko lang, ha? Since this is the 9 of Wands, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, you are very, very dependable. You can work alone, diba? It's about your leadership, how you communicate to kasi ito yung tinatawag the energy of the people na tinatawag na with authority to. Okay? It's like tinatawag, pareho mo lang sila ng galing, pareho mo ng talino, di ba? Maaring dito yung tinatawag, you are talking to the president, you are talking to the king, you are talking to the ministers, you are talking with the banks managers, you are talking to the leader of the Mozambique, something like that, di ba? How you connect, ibig sabihin your interaction, di ba? Kasi it's like tinatawag, that is your job. Kasi may mga tao, it's like tinatawag the burdens, your burdens. You have burdens too. Okay? It seems like, kasi ito, Okay? Malaking responsibilities ito. Maybe it has something to do about marriage. Maybe sabihin na natin na you are tinatawag na you are dealing with your in-laws, di ba? You are dealing with professors, you are dealing with the company, you are dealing with the military, judge, di ba? You are dealing with the society, yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, napakalaki ng iyong role, di ba? Yan. It's about your responsibilities, okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the two of wands, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, ikaw yan, di ba? Yan. It's like tinatawag na, this is two. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, it's like, ikaw na ang, example lang ito ha, halimbawa sabihin natin, ikaw na ang namalengke, ikaw pa ang magluluto, ikaw pa ang maghuhugas, yan. Diba? It's like tinatawag na the man of action. Yan, no? You're the man of action. Something like that, diba? Yan. Ito ikaw, diba? So, it's very, very, ang nakikita ko dito napakahirap, di ba? It's always full of action, okay? It's like you have to mingle. You mingle with all kinds of people, di ba? It's about your work, your job, di ba? It's like tinatawag na one-man band, di ba? Yan, no? It's a one-man band, di ba? Mahirap. So, naririto ang tinatawag na the seven of wands, di ba? Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na your exposure, di ba? What you are capable of, di ba? Kasi ikaw yan, no? Kita mo, tindig na tindig ka. You against them, di ba? It's like tinatawag, ako, laban sa lahat. Ako, sino itong mga taong ito, di ba? Oh. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na ikaw lang ang inaasahan. Yun lang ang nakikita kong energy. Kayo lang ang inaasahan. Diba? Yan. Sa tinatawag na the seven of wands. Okay? Marami ka, napakalaki ng nakapatong, napakalaking responsibilidad ang nakapatong sa balikat mo. Diba? Kumbaga dito kaya ka siguro dito dineclared yan na king, the king of swords. Ibig sabihin, matalino ka. Ibig sabihin, you are capable, okay? Of, kaya mong tapusin ang isang project. Kaya mong tapusin ang isang transaction. Kaya mong tapusin ang isang usapan, di ba? Kaya mo yung tinatawag, it's about delegate. Kung narito yung tinatawag delegation, na-delegate mo ito nang ikaw lang mag-isa. Di ba? So, yan ang nakikita ko for you. Okay? It's like sabihin na nating family life, career life, friends, your involvement sa mga friends, yan, no? Di ba? Nakikita dito lahat. Yeah? How you delegate. Paano mo ito yung tinatawag na o-organize, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, ay talagang ikaw is a man, you're a person with discipline, di ba? You're a person with dedication. Yung tinatawag, very, very organized. Kaya nga sinabing, you're the king, di ba? Organized. Yan. Napakalaki ng role na hinahawakan nyo. Ay, hindi ko alam kung ano, ha? Maybe, meron kang sabihin na nating you are working in a group of people, a business, a company, organization, di ba? Maybe you're in a politics, maybe you're in a healthcare, maybe you're in a social work, maybe ikaw yung tinatawag na nasa podcast, di ba? Maybe you have a business, investment. Bakit napakaraming energy na tinatawag na all kinds of people? Yan, kita mo. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na the two of, no, hindi ito the two. Ito yung tinatawag na, ano ito? Ano ba ito? Sandali ha, ito yung pentacles, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung the Ace of Pentacles. Is this the Ace of Pentacles? I do not know, okay? So, ang nakikita ko dito very balanced, okay? You have discipline. Yan ha. Kasi kita mo naman wala yung tinatawag na di ba, unbalance. Hindi, yan, balance na balance. So, ibig sabihin, dinedescribe ka dito, you're a person with a very, very disciplined mind, di ba? Focus, intelligent, di ba? It's like tinatawag na determined, di ba? It's like tinatawag na your goals, your missions, your purpose, di ba? So, napakaganda. Maganda yung tinatawag na energy. Okay? So, what about that? Ibig sabihin nito, kung ano man ito, you are dealing. It's like you are dealing. You have a very, very big responsibilities. Sa tinatawag na the eight. Okay? The eight of Pentacles, di ba? So, ibig sabihin yan, ikaw lang ang inaasahan. Okay? Very, very powerful. You're a very, very powerful person, di ba? You can do it yourself. You are showing your leadership, di ba? It's like tinatawag na your words are very, very powerful, okay? Your action is tinatawag dito na calculated. Your action is calculated. Kaya narito ang tinatawag na the Two of Pentacles, okay? Calculated. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, that's why for some of you, kaya narito ang tinatawag na the Eight of Pentacles, di ba? It's about their respect, okay? Nakikita mo, maganda ang tinatawag na very, very harmonized, di ba? You are respected. Dito sa Two of Pentacles to the Eight of Pentacles, they have a high tawag dito, trust, high confidence, high expectation, yan because of your tinatawag, dinidescribe ka dito. It's like tinatawag the Virgo, di ba? The Virgo, the Hermit, yun na nakikita ko sa vision ko, okay? It's like you are the Hermit, di ba? Yan. Yung tinatawag na speck and span, di ba? Meticulous, yan dinidescribe dito. Sa the Two of Pentacles to the Eight of Pentacles, di ba? It's like yung tinatawag na you don't like corruption, nakikita lang dito. Ha? It's like you're very, very strict, di ba? It's like tinatawag na stricto ka sa oras, stricto ka sa trabaho, di ba? Yeah, you're very, very strict. Nakikita ko, ha? So, it's all about you ang nakikita ko sa inyo dito, ha? So, it's about action. What is this you want? It's like tinatawag, it needs an action. What needs an action? Dito sa tinatawag na the Eight of Pentacles, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, para ito mag-materialize, di ba? Okay? So, maybe it has something to do about your work. It has something to do about your mission, your goals, di ba? It has something to do about your, sabihin na nating health, di ba? Maybe kasama na rin dito ang health, di ba? Maybe for some of you, you're very, very tired, okay? And you want, kaya nakikita ko lang dito yung tinatawag na the Hermit, di ba? The Hermit is a sign of Virgo, di ba? It's like sinasabi dito, maybe you want a time break, okay? A holiday, something tinatawag pagpapahinga, di ba? Yan. Dahil kasi yan, kita mo naman dito, you are burdened, okay? Yan, kita mo. Tinatawag may mga tao sa shoulders ninyo, okay? Need an action, or maybe ito yung tinatawag acceleration. You need an acceleration, or you will be offered a job, an opportunities, a doors opening. Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, grab it while it's still open, di ba? Kung kaya nga ito tumabi sa tinatawag na the Eight of Pentacles, maybe it has something to do about your work. Ibig sabihin nito, mag-accelerate, okay? Acceleration ng iyong tinatawag wealth, okay? Ng increase, there is an increase, a wins, a gains, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, narito ang tinatawag na the Eight of Wands. So, ibig sabihin nito, ang daladala nito, ang acceleration, di ba? Saan magkakaroon ng acceleration? It's about your magkakaroon ng prosperity, provision, abundance, luck, especially luck, di ba? Since the Jupiter, nagpasok siya sa tinatawag na Cancer. Okay? So, ano ang daladala nito sa inyo? It's about a relationship. A good provision, success, luck sa relationship. Ibig sabihin nito, magkakaroon dito ng tagumpay. Okay? Magkakaroon ng swerte. Okay? It's about your relationship to others. Diba? Kung sino ito. Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, mga ka-deal, ka-interaction ninyo. Correspondence, kausap ninyo. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, success. Yan o. Pwede rin ito sabihin na nating promotion, di ba? Acceleration nakikita ko. Maa-accelerate, di ba? Your lifestyle mag-a-accelerate. Your finances, your financial, your wealth mag-a-accelerate. Your status, because of the Ace of Wands, mag-a-accelerate. Okay? So, it's about tinatawag abundance. Ibig sabihin ito, harvest. Harvesting na ito, ha? Dahil ito yung tinatawag na the Eight of Wands, di ba? So, ibig sabihin ito, your tinatawag na your savings, okay? Your money, your tinatawag na properties, okay? It's about your luxury, your lifestyle. Yan, oh. Mag-a-accelerate. Ibig sabihin nito, sobra-sobra. Sobra-sobra. It's like tinatawag na dire-diretso ang flow. Dire-diretso ang flow ng tinatawag na biyaya para sa inyo.